Hi everyone, in this video we will take a look at how to calculate percentage for a set of numbers. So here I already have some data. I have marks for students. You can see the various marks for the different subjects. This is the total marks acquired by the student, and this is the total number of marks. So in this column we'll calculate the percentage. Now there are a couple of ways to calculate percentage. So first is like you come here, say is equal to, now this is the total marks acquired. I'll choose that and I'll say divide by the total number of marks possible, and I'll multiply it by 100. Yeah, so this gives you the percentage. Now there's another way to calculate percentage. You go here, say is equal to, select the marks acquired, divide by the total number of marks, hit enter. Now it gives some number. In this case it gives 0.79%, which is basically 79%. So what I do is I'll select it, say right click, format the cells, and here you go and say percentage, select the percentage value and say decimal places up to 2. Just select OK, and then it gives you the percentage. So this is how you can calculate percentage, and you can do the same for all the students. So this is how you calculate percentage in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next video.